Hey guys, today's video I'm so excited to share with you. I got some PR from one of my favorite brands, Nudestix. I was finally recognized for my posting. This is a brand that I've loved for many years. I'm obsessed with their blush sticks. I have so many of them that I've purchased myself that I care to admit, but it's one of my favorite brands. So they reached out. They sent me these concealers. I got to pick the colors to see which ones I thought were gonna be good for me. So we are gonna go over that. So in case you've never heard of this, this is the Nudestix Cream Concealer. I think they launched about a year ago or something like that, maybe 2 years. They're fairly new. This is a liquid to kind of powder finish, so these do set themselves. They're very hydrating and they're made in Korea, which I think is really cool. I feel like anything that's made in Korea is always like it's good. I have used these before. I've used them a couple times since I've gotten them. And what I can tell you is that this concealer is going to give you a very skin-like finish. It's not matte, but it's not like super dewy. It's like your skin, but better. And the coverage, I would say it's a good, solid medium coverage. All right, so I'm gonna moisturize my face and we're gonna play with these. Now you can see I have nothing on my face right now. I'm a little bit red here. I'm always red around my nose because of my glasses and the sides of my nose. And I did get a tan over the weekend. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna conceal it. We're gonna do under eyes. I'm gonna use my True Botanicals Archibula Extreme Moisturizer. So one thing I will say is if you're dry, like I always say, definitely prep your skin really good. I got moisturizer right here. So I have 3 shades. I have shade 4, 4.5, and 5. So I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand for you. This one is shade 4. I will say some of these do run more peachy. Like that 4 is peachy. 4.5 is like a lighter peach or more like a neutral. And then shade 5 is golden. 4, 4.5, and 5. I'm gonna blend them out. So just by looking at these, I know like what shade's gonna work really good for my face and what I'm gonna use for underneath my eyes. For my face, definitely number 5 is gonna be my good match. For under my eyes to brighten, I feel like 4.5 is gonna be better. It's a little bit more peachy. So with this, you can take directly onto the under eyes. It's got that much of a light formula that you could do that. I'm gonna take my, oh, by the way, I got my Kitco Danessa Myrix brushes, the face edition. If you guys wanna see a review on that, comment down below, but I did get them. All right, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna just tap the concealer and blend. So see how that blends away really nice? Because it has a little bit of that peachy undertone, it is brightening up my under eye. And I've mentioned this before, if your under eyes are more of like a purple discoloration, brownish, peach is always gonna look really good. If you have a bluish pink under your eyes, you wanna go with a pinky tone. Nice, quick. This dries down really nice. It doesn't settle in the lines. I do love that. You can use this in place of foundation as well. So if you're somebody that doesn't need a lot of coverage, you just kind of want to like spot conceal, by all means go for it. That's actually what we're gonna do today. All right, so 5, I'm gonna take, see where I'm red here. So it does have some coverage. You can see even when I apply it, it tones down some of that red. Actually, I'm gonna go in with my one. This is again from the Danessa My Kit Coat collection. And I'm just gonna press that concealer into my skin. So again, if you're somebody who wants like that no makeup, you just want a little bit of coverage here and there, whether it's blemishes, redness, rosacea, something like this is definitely gonna help to cover that up. Concealer, for the most part, is always more concentrated, it's always more pigmented. So with that, you need less of it, unless you're using a concealer that's like sheer. See how that completely toned down the redness? So like I said, you get like a medium coverage. Now, for somebody that this might be like full coverage. It's all gonna depend on what you think full coverage is and how you feel it. When I think of full coverage, I'm thinking like Estee Lauder Double Wear is full coverage to me, or Pat McGrath's Sublime or Skin Fetish, like that concealer, that's full coverage to me. This is definitely like a solid medium, but it's very nice. It totally like cut that red out. And I'd be good with like just kind of putting this on and going about my day. Now I did get a tan, like I said, so if it was my winter color, I'd probably be using like the 4.5, and then the 4 would be my under eye. We're just gonna layer a little bit more. I want you to see how you can layer it up and it still looks really good. So you can get a little more coverage. What I like is that the more I put on, it doesn't sit on the skin or like hug any of my fine lines, dryness, because I do have it. It just sits really nice. Like my skin has a natural radiance to it. And I really do think that that has a lot to do with the fact that it's made in Korea. I feel like, I said before, complexion products that are made, they're companies that like just choose those labs. I haven't seen anything that was made in Korea that I didn't like or that didn't have that kind of healthy glow. So you're definitely gonna get like healthy skin, healthy looking skin with these products. Not heavy, just sitting nice, not emphasizing any texture, because I do have some texture on my face, but 10 out of 10, highly recommend it. I will have it linked down below if you want to try it out. If you've tried these, let me know, comment down below. I'm very curious to know what you think about them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.